Assalamualaikum and good morning to Miss Shabrina. So today our group will presenting about Toyota. So before we start our presentation, we would like to introduce ourselves first. My name is Nur Natasha Arina.
My name is Nur Syafiqah binti Muhammad Zaini.
My name is Claudia Garnet Jeffrey.
My name is Nur Azarina.
My name is Putri Aisyah binti Kasman Alis Hasan.
My name is Nurina Danawati.
So I will start this presentation by present about the introduction, which is background of Toyota. So Toyota is founded by Kiichiro Toyoda. Toyoda was a Japanese engineer and businessman. So Toyota actually is part of Toyota Automatic Loom Works, which is company producing textile machinery. Kiichiro Toyoda inspired by the potential of automotive industry use profit from the loom business to develop car. Then name Toyota changed to Toyota because easier to pronounce. Moreover, Toyota Motor Corporation was formally founded on 28 August 1937. Toyota first car was the Toyota AA and the latest car which is Toyota Crown Signia. Next, I will present about description of company occupational safety and health policy of Toyota. So firstly, fostering a culture of safety and health, which is workers encouraged to report and stop unsafe work. Secondly, ensuring compliance with safety law. They must follow national and international safety regulation and do regular audits and mandatory training. Moreover, employee engagement through safety committees. Committees with workers and management reps and review incident and workplace condition. Furthermore, improving safety management system. Use PDAC cycle for improvement and continuous enhancement through Kaizen. And lastly, identifying hazard and assessing risk, which is use hierarchy and inspection. So, I will pass this presentation to Shafiqah.
This is our Hyrax. Okay dah. This is our Hyrax form. My company is Toyota Motor Corporation. Location at Shah Alam, Selangor. And that to 24 November 2025. First hazard identified. Work activity is manual lifting of engine part. This is can hazard to repetitive strain, relate to ergonomic hazard. Can cause it is lead to back injury, muscle strain. And number 2 is welding task. Welding can expose workers to UV radiation, furnace, spark, and relate to chemical hazard or physical hazard. Can affect to eyes damage, burn to skin upcoming, into contact with the skin. And number 3 is using power tool, which is a drill grinder. Hazard can affect to noise, flying particle, and relate to physical hazard. Can affect to hearing loss, eyes injury, or cuts. And the lastly is moving forklift. Hazard can to vehicle movement risk, relate to physical hazard, and effect to leg injury, fatal accident. That's all. I pass this presentation to Claudia.
now it's my turn. I will explain about the risk analysis, which is first manual lifting of engine parts, the exciting risk control, which is basic manual handling proceeding. The likelihood is 4 and severity is 3. Total is 12. Is still medium risk. Second is welding task, which is welding PPA. Likelihood 3, severity is 4. Total is also 12. Is still under medium risk. The third is using power tools drill, which is grinder. We use here it's 2 setting risk control of air and ice PPP is available. Then likelihood 3, severity is 4, then risk is 12, still medium risk. Lastly is moving forklift, which is train forklift operator. We need to train them. Then likelihood is 3, severity is 5. Total is 15 high of risk. So in this part, the highest risk, which is moving forklift. The other is still medium. That's all for me. I will pass this presentation to Azarina.
Thank you, Claudia. I will continue this presentation. I will explain about risk controls, which is recommended control measure, and PIC means person in charge, and due date and status. For the manual lifting, our recommendation is use correct lifting technique, and if the item is heavy, we need to carry with 2 people. And the person in charge is Shazwan, 6 November 2025, and the status is complete. For the second welding task, need to wear complete personal protective equipment, which means PPE. Need to wear ear and eye PPE to protect ourselves. The third one is using power tools. The employee need to use tools in good condition to avoid injury, and need to secure workplace properly. The last one is moving forklift. Only trained operator may drive, and the driver need to follow the limit speed and design road. That's all from me. I will pass this presentation to Putri Aisyah.
So for this slide, I would like to explain about Toyota's procedure in managing risk and accident at workplace. So firstly is commitment and oversight. First, it's a strong safety philosophy, and then the safety and health promotion division oversees all activity that lead regulars reporting to senior management, which means Toyota culture, they maintains a strong safety culture. For example, the divisions review monthly safety reports prepared by each department. So secondly is reporting of incidents and near misses. So it is immediate reporting by employees. The cases will forwarded to the Safety and Health Committee, and the OSHA used to track and record incidents. For example, even if a worker sleeps without any injury, the accident must still be reported. So, which means it's a must. Thirdly, investigation process. It has a root causes investigation. They are use Genchi Genbutsu method on site to observation the hazard or a risk, and then focus on system for improvement rather than blaming individuals. So, for the example, if a machine is identified as unsafe, the company modify its or trains worker on safer operation methods. And the fourthly is corrective and preventive action. Firstly, company must to update the procedures and equipment, and then the additional training needed. So which mean the employer must to maintaining or give proper training to the employees. Okay, and then the lastly is monitoring and continuous improvement. So it included with safety indicator monitored consistently, regular audits and on-site inspection. Also the adjustment made to prevent recurrence. That's all from me.
Then my part is conclusion. We know that Toyota Motor Corporation have a core value. That means customer first and respect the customer. And then this is how the company need to improve their company to don't have any risk in future. First is stop and fix practice. The company, we empower our workers to stop production if they notice any concern regarding quality or safety. We use also root cause analysis RCA to resolve problem solving. Maksudnya we as workers have a right to stop the operation during the operation with the customer. Next is improving ergonomic hazard. We explore wearable technology to monitor workers' work skill and prevent injuries, ensuring a safe working environment. We have as example, we have a wearable technology such as a smartwatch, to connect our blood pressure, detect our heart rate. Okay. Third, utilize safety audit system. We collab with the raw material supplier to maintain a high quality supply chain. Our supplier must be always timely to deliver our raw material and to avoid any delay. The last is enhancing training and awareness. All the staff, all the workers they have a guide to ensure safety system in the workplace to avoid risk. That's all from me.
So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.